Tira-tira, Padillon with Domasig. De La Cruz on deck to serve for Letran. They have Sari, Napal, and Litura.
Ganda natin na expansion muna natin. Thank you. Pasabi kay coach. Pasabi kay coach.
Yeah, another reminder from our official. Oh, they'll call another infraction here against Coach Oliver Almadro. Okay. Things getting more and more heated. Now, he's been asking for a few calls already.
But this is just a preview of how Coach Oliver shows how he's really fighting for the team. Diba?
Oh, Coach O will go to the side. And he will be
23 serving 24.
So there's a yellow and a red card means it's like a thrown out, right?
Okay, he'll be on the side.
Is that like a thrown out?
Yeah.
Or for a period of time?
Yeah, that's a second reminder against Coach Oliver Almadro. Yo! Arellano forces a fifth set.
And the Lady Chiefs forces the fifth set.
We go to an extension.
And Coach Oliver is back. Or maybe for the entirety of the set.
So some tira-tira, just like how we ended set number 3, will send us to a fifth set.